shake it a
Okay,
bit.
ready? Ready? Say hello, Michael, now.
Hello, Michael.
There you go, he looks excited.
Hi Michael, it's Wednesday, the 1st of December.
At least it was yesterday. Hi, Michael. Today is the 2nd of December. And Thursday. I haven't done any movie magic for a while, so I figured, since my room, as you can see, is a complete mess at the moment, I could do the whole, swirling vortex of cleanliness again, because that's just fun. Don't you just love that?
Here's the poem, but only excited.
Last week, Mike, you sent to me a box chock full of mystery, but the contents, as far as I could see, was meant for more than one. I ripped open the box and reached a bag, a sight of which made my shoulders sag. An anxious feeling began to nag, and I knew ridicule was to come. Sealing the bag closed was a lock. The presence inside began to mock. How do I get inside? What the fuck? Except for cracking the lock, there was none. So I turned the whole box upside down, and a smile replaced my confused frown. A letter addressed to SDIG in Christchurch town. Michael, how could you be so dumb? After paragraph 1, I was filled with glee. I found something I had hoped to see. A sentence which was addressing me. And now, a punishment is to come. Michael, I haven't actually decided on a punishment for you yet, but trust me, there's one coming. I'm doing some sort of tally vote sort of... I've got people voting on it, and I'm going to, decide on the best one that people suggest. But I've got a few ideas, but I'm going to tell you the actual punishment on Monday. But just in case, keep the mo on. Play-Doh. Fun to play with, but not to eat. But it is fun to watch people eat.
Hate you people. Good enough crunch for you, slut.
It's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to find.